this one's gonna be a pretty big update. So, as you can see, the kitchen's been removed and there's paint up on the walls. It took me an entire day just to remove most of the wallpaper that's all up here and been painted. You may also notice that the sink is gone, which means I had the plumber in. So those of you who've been waiting for plumbing news, I have good news.
If you remember my last video on the plumbing, I had a couple issues going on. There wasn't a lot fastened over here, but the main concern was this set of pipes. I didn't know if there was going to be a drain for the shower or not. The plumber came in, did a lot of fixes around here, was a very good deal, very happy about that. The plumbing, we have a toilet, we have a sink, we knew that. We didn't know if we had a drain for the shower, and we have a floor drain that can be converted into a drain for a shower, I guess, which is amazing news. It is not going to cost me an absolute fortune to get a pipe put in for the drain.
Let's run back upstairs. Today is a day of great news. I know where my budget's being spent a little bit better now, so I have an idea of what I can afford, what I can't afford. The next part for me is going to be coming through and getting the braces put on the walls. So the way that the cabinets are going to sit, they're going to be kind of like a brace across here where the base cabinets are going to be, and then there's going to be a brace up along this part here. So that's going to have to be level. I'm going to have to mark where my studs are. Stay tuned. This kitchen is almost finally done.